Assalamu alaikum, guys. It's your Nomad Consultant here. So I'm actually on my way to Lexus to get this battery on this Lexus CT200, the white Phantom change. And basically what I decided to do, get myself a quick cappuccino here, because unfortunately due to COVID rules we are not able to have coffee or water. So I got my bottle of water here, I got my cappuccino. It shouldn't take more than an hour for it to be changed and fixed, so I might as well enjoy my company, and with my coffee, that is, not with myself. But hey, at least you can also enjoy company with yourself. Got my little headphones, I can at least watch a bit of video on my phone. But yeah, I just came to the petrol station now to fill up this car. I'm gonna do a road trip on it, so I might as well get everything nice and fixed. I'll keep you posted on how it goes. I'll do a little quick filming in the front of Lexus like I always do, because I always like to dream and visualize what car I'm going to get in the future. Alright, till the next phase of the video. See you later, guys. Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Here I am at the Lexus dealership. So like I said, I brought the white Phantom today to get the battery change. It was actually the original battery that came with it. So honestly, what, nearly 10 years has been representing, so that's good. So I decided to go for a brand new Lexus battery straight from Lexus, so then I at least have that peace of mind, as well as bringing my service book with me so I can get nice and stamped. So that's good, you know, keeping the service history. Anyway, like I promised you, I always like to check out what car I'm going to treat myself. So here is my one I'm looking to treat myself one day, the RX 450. Inshallah. It's a sexy looking car. It's a Jeep, nice and big. But yeah, other cars, oh, this one is a dream. But this one is when you don't have to worry about little kids no more. Let me just show you the back. Oh, look at this bad boy. Look at this bad boy. Anyway, yeah, that's for the players out there. For me, I like comfort, so I think I'm gonna go for the RX. But yes, on a more realistic kind of first step before the RX, I probably might go for the IS. Yep, that's a beautiful car, and I like this one. I think this is the F Sport model. Nice. Anyway, let me go into Lexus, get my mask on, so I'll do another recording inside. Peace and love for now, guys. Okay, here we go. Nice and clean. That's one thing I like about coming to get some jobs done here at Lexus. Gonna go and take some pictures of this car now, because you never know.